This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and today we're going to reuse this pattern that we already made. The bracelet came out cool and everything, but I have a new vision for what I can do, and since I already have the strings, I figured let's go for it. So I need to cover up these two in each one of the rows, the top one and the bottom one, and then let me zoom in a little bit here. I'm gonna put these the four blues in the middle of the purple, and then these four greens also in the middle of the purple. So now in the blue, similar, the green is gonna come in for two squares, and then this green also will do two squares. So what we're creating is a bit of a diamond, or not like a diamond, like a rectangle in the middle of what is already kind of rectangular shaped. And I have to admit, I'm kind of excited about this because this is a pattern I've never done before, despite the fact that it feels inherently simple. It'll be something new to try. So the top one goes, the bottom one goes. So it's blue and green inside of the purple, or inside of the blue it'll be green and purple. It just kind of has this thing where it trades out the colors in an interesting way. So like I said, it'll be like a little dash in the middle of all of this. So I think it'll be interesting to look at, and it's one of those things that makes people kind of, how did he do that? So I think that's kind of fun. I feel like getting the top and the bottom one out first is going to make this a little bit easier. So let's do that real quick. Actually, while I'm doing that, let me just thank my YouTube members for making this possible. It's their support that helps keep all these patterns and ideas and stuff coming. Because, well, I need the string to do it, and I needed all the equipment that I have here to do it. So, yeah, without their help, I don't think I'd ever gotten as far as I have in this. Kind of wondering like what this would have been like with other colors. Like this is still pretty cool, but I wonder if we had like a 12 color rainbow, how much different would this have been? If that's something you want to see, let me know. I have probably strings to be able to make a rainbow, so that's not beyond the realm of possibilities. There we go. When you zoom out, you can kind of almost make out how these rectangle things will actually work inside of here. Yeah, I think it'll be, at least if nothing else, it'll be very interesting, and I'm eager to get started on it. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. Hopefully this will inspire you, and if not, maybe the actual making it, which I will start on right away, maybe that'll inspire you to try something interesting and different like this. So okay, thanks for hanging out, and as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.